nothing. Won't you tell me that we want something more than just more beer? And my friends, if that ain't true, won't you lie to me tonight? Oh yeah. Well, I've been listening to Minor, throw records all day and shit. If I do not know every word, I sing along as I tie off. And Ian screams he's out of step as I throw the cotton into the spoon, drop into the syringe. I'll know just what he means until I hit a vein. And after that I won't have to bother with knowing who I am, for a while at least. In a moment the whole world is gonna melt around me, and I'll swear I don't miss it as I lie to you tonight. 'Cause I'm afraid to look the world in the eye. If nothing's gonna change, well then I'd rather die. Not too unemployed to organize a union. I'm too intoxicated to tear down a building. I'm too hopeless to look for a solution. I'm afraid that if I found one, I'd be out of excuses for the way I waste away in the gutters that I chose, like fashion accessories to go with my dirty clothes. I haven't bathed in months, you know it's not because I've been fighting bourgeois morals. I'm just lazy and I'm young. I've seen the best minds of my generation die in drug or hide from the rooftops to the parking lots, stomped to death in West Philadelphian squats. They got me waiting on a day when we can say fuck the police with a little bit of integrity, when it'll mean I've got your back if you've got mine. Give me a scene where I believe in more than bad haircuts, guilt, and misery. Don't know where I fit between the vegans and the nihilists. That might be the first thing I've said that wasn't a lie tonight. 'Cause there's gotta be something more than lying in the front yard naked screaming at the constellations. I want something more than an apology to say when I look the world in the eye. I'll tell you, man, my friend William came to me with a message of hope. It went fuck you and everything that you think you know. If you don't step outside the things that you believe, they're gonna kill you. He said no one's gonna stop you from dying young and miserable and right. If you want something better, you gotta put that shit aside. I thought about how for thousands of years there have been people who told us that things can't go on like this. From Jesus Christ to the diggers, from Malthus to Zerzan, from Karl Marx to Huey Newton, but the shit goes on and 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 on. I'm not saying that we can't change the world. Not everybody does at least a little bit of that. But I won't shit myself. The way I'm living is a temper tantrum, and I need something else. Need something else. Need something else to stay alive. Whoa. And on the night when I play my last show, I hope I'm screaming so loud that my heart explodes. And I'll be singing we are free. Oh, but won't you promise me that we won't ever forget what that means? I know it's hard to give a shit sometimes, but promise me we'll always try. 'Cause I don't want